Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. Chad here. Today I'm going to be doing a product review on the Bearded Mack's, the Dude Mack. So stay tuned right after this intro. Okay guys, we're going to get right into this. I have two products from the Bearded Mack, facial bar soap, also the oil. And the one I have is the Dude Mack. So the website states that it opens up with coconut water, fresh agave leaves, and a blast of some tropical breezes. It smells absolutely incredible. I put some on this morning. I've been using it quite a bit lately. Now I do have several different beard oils and keeping a good rotation. This one I've been finding myself going back to it because it has a nice, clean tropical smell to it. I'm not real big into tropical fruity smells, but this one is absolutely something that you got to get your hands on. You got to check it out. As I said this morning, about 91 degrees today. I got my beard all washed out and I threw some of this in there. I put some of this oil on my arm because I like the scent so well, and I used it as a fragrance today and it did really well. Also, the website says that it has hints of musk and tonka bean. Tonka bean is something I really enjoy as a fragrance connoisseur. I like a lot of tonka bean in my fragrances. I see a lot of them in the base notes of fragrances that I've reviewed in the past, and it has a sweet oud to it. Now, I am a big old oud fan. I have a lot of oud fragrances. I have oud for greatness. I have oud for glory. I have supremacy in oud. So I have a lot of different oud fragrances. This one is a little different. It has a nice oud scent that's in a sweet way, and I really enjoy it. I've had several compliments on it, and I'll tell you guys, this one, bar none, lasts a long time. I put it on, like I said, it was about 11 o'clock this morning. I still get whiffs of it in my beard. Okay, so this is something that is going to last you a long time, and it's going to smell absolutely incredible. Super good, guys. I would love to try out the other scents that this company offers, but however, at this moment, I only have Dude Mack, and so far, I'm really enjoying it. So to break down the ingredients from the website, it says that it has Camellia seed oil, fractionated coconut oil, Meadowfoam seed oil, broccoli seed oil, hemp seed oil, castor oil, which I say in a lot of my videos. I absolutely am a big fan of castor oil. I feel like it makes your beard look healthier, makes it feel thicker, makes it appear thicker. Castor oil is really good for your hair. And then obviously it's got the vitamin E that most oils have. It will cost you $19.99 off of the website. So if you're interested in getting this, I have an affiliate code that will save you some money. What do I think about this, guys? I think it's absolutely great. I think it's really incredible. As I said, I'm not really big into fruity scents. However, this one is a little different. This is a nice, fresh scent. I love when I get out of the shower, my beard's still wet. Putting this in my beard. I like wearing it when I go to bed at night. I do not have any butter. I've never tried the butter from this company. I do have another butter from another company that is unscented, so I will throw that in my beard when I use this oil, and so I can have that nice scent of this oil. So guys, I would definitely try it out. It does come in a 1 ounce frosted amber glass bottle, and it looks like this. Really cool art. I really like that. I think it's really cool. Give this company a shot. Check it out. It's got good quality ingredients. It's got great scents. I have scoped out the website. I have found a few that I really want to check out and get in my hand. And I plan on doing that very soon. But for now, I just wanted to share with you the Dude Mack by the Bearded Mack. So guys, go ahead and drop a comment below if you've tried this before. Maybe you've tried a different scent. Drop that info below because I would like to know what you've tried and what you like. Let's get interactive in the comments below. Let me know if there's anything else that you think I should try and review. Now, they do have a solid beard wash bar that I got also to go with this scent. It's got this cool can and cool art on it as well, just like the oil, but see, I've used a little bit of that right there. Smells absolutely incredible. I'm going to be doing a review on the solid beard wash bar soon. So stay tuned for that. But this one, I just wanted to go over the oil with you, my first thoughts after having it a couple of weeks, how it lasted in my beard, how my beard feels. Beard feels absolutely incredibly soft. I know most of the oils that I use feel soft in the beard, uh, help the beard to be really, really soft. But this one is just really, really good at making that beard feel really soft. So if you're looking for something that smells nice, fresh, not too fruity, but a nice tropical, but not too crazy scent that just smells absolutely good, this is something you need to check out. So guys, thank you so much for staying to the end. Go ahead and hit the like button, help me out on this channel. Hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you are up to date with all the reviews that I'm posting on this channel to help you save money and let you know if something's worth buying, trying, or not buying at all. Once again, thanks a lot, and I'll catch you on the next video.